conglomerate. Kind of a nice conglomerate. It'd be neat if there was a little more color, but I'm not going to take it.
Yeah. Trail?
Am I?
Trail?
Gonna take that?
Trail?
There
ain't
I was
no
just
trail.
thinking my bucket was,
Anyway,
it was heavy,
we got
but
a little
it wasn't bad.
spot here. I wasn't sure which way I was going to go, so I set my bucket down. And I was like, did I go up this way? Maybe. But I do definitely remember this, because I talked about it. But I wasn't sure I went through there. And so, I guess I'll carry this through here a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I took that one conglomerate rock out because it was just the difference between this feels pretty good and this is too heavy. And so anyway, I come up here to see if this is the way I went, and I was hoping this might happen. La, my tool. That's my tool. I was telling you about, like 120 years old, and it used to be a hook, and they even threaded it, but I kind of moved that, and then I think I bent the hook out, and that bend was trying to get a rock out, and I stepped on it. I was talking about that earlier. And so yeah, I'm going to take that home and retire it. But I figured I would find it. I've lost my tools before, but that's why I paint them red, because they're super visible. If you're anywhere near, and it's just like you're rock hounding, you keep that peripheral vision going and just look for odd stuff, and most likely you'll see it. And of course, when I came around here and saw it, it's like plain as day, which is sweet. I'm glad it wasn't stuck on some bushes and then like fell down to where you couldn't even find it. But yeah, nice. Yeah, to that kind of thicket area here again, but it's not bad. And I can tell by, there's a tree out there, and that's across the road. I totally recognize this because it was 10 days ago I was here. So now I have it pretty clear in my head how we're going to try to haul this thing out here on like a 6-foot gurney. And you know, the rock, I would say that rock's got to be 200. I think I can deadlift like 225, but I was a little bit hurt, so I'm figuring around 200. Okay, I made it out of the woods, and I'm walking that quarter mile back to my truck. And I actually think, now that I've been on that trail twice, it's easier than I even remembered the first time. And that's just because I'm familiar with it now. And so I don't think the trail is going to be that bad. I mean, it's not a trail. My imaginary trail, that's probably the easiest way to get out of here. Because a lot of it's like this. It's valleys and stuff. And then like the way I came in, you know, I showed you those embankments and stuff. And it's like, no, that ain't happening. Because like I say, that 200-pound rock. Yeah. So, but anyway, so I'm pretty excited. It's been, I think, over 2 years, maybe 3 years since I found that rock. And I almost gave up on it at one time, like, yeah, I'm probably never gonna get it. And then it kind of came a reality again. And then it became a Johnny Quest. And so it'll be cool to get it. I mean, it's kind of like losing the 50 pounds, I guess. It's just, I mean, I really want it, but it's like, okay, be patient, be persistent, figure out all kinds of different plans. You know, I know some of you maybe asked what I'm gonna do, and I didn't know. I got like 10 different plans. But I think, like I say, with me and Andrew, him being stronger than me, and I'm no slouch, that weight is gonna be an issue, because when I carry a 100-pound bucket out of the woods, I set it down every, I don't know, 4, 5 steps. And I'm not sure we can do that, because then we got to pick it up. And so I guess we'll see how it goes. And if we got to leave it, then I'll figure out another way, or hire somebody else to come help us. But Andrew's a good guy, and I trust him totally. And I think we'll get it out. We're gonna videotape it, and I think it's gonna be a cool little adventure. Till then, Uncle Nudge, out! So I'm gonna put this back in here. I got another old tool, but that's the one I found. And just a very quick museum shot. Stuff. Cool. Just quick. Yeah, I think I built this little museum in 8 days, and it took me 10 days to do the shelves and arrange everything. But it's pretty cool. Okay, pretty nice. It's a nice blue. And that guy. Yep. Oh, pretty sweet. And that's just one of my favorites there. So a bunch of smalls. And then this is the, I haven't cut it yet, but I'm about to, the find and cut.